Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You are listening to Dr. Drhumaibrar. This channel is all about pre-matric exam guidance and exam material. So if you're still waiting to be a part of my YouTube family member, don't waste your time and press the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell icon because this channel could be bridge towards your successful career. Today, I am dedicating this video to all my clients and YouTube family member. Your support and love has forced me to make this video only for you. So today, I will appreciate you all. Alhamdulillah, I am blessed with super intelligent, adorable and respectful clients and YouTube family members. I swear this wouldn't be possible without you all and without your support. I'll always dedicate my each step towards success to my YouTube members and clients, alhamdulillah. The reason behind my consistency in serving physiotherapists is all due to support of you all. I'm really very grateful to you all, and obviously I will require same support and love to remain consistent in my work with same energy. Some of my clients that I could remember have supported me strongly. I would mention their names also, and yes, if I forget to mention any one of my strongly supporting client, please accept my apology in advance. I really adore you all, and I wish you all could get a bright future and a successful future. So mentioning names of strongly supporting clients. I will start from first one, Dr. Abid Mir from Qatar. Second, Dr. Roha from Taif. Third is Roshni. Fourth one, Shagufta Hamid from Zafrabad, Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Fatma Taslimia from Sri Lanka. Taiba Shafiq, Sheikh Nawaz from India. Sumera Afzal, most lovable client. Then Ayman Khan from Yemen. Ninth one is Ayman Khan from Yemen. 10th one, Taiba Fatima. Kamal Mahayuddin, Sania Suhail, or Sania Suhail. I don't know about a correct pronunciation. Gulsita Fatima. Again, sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Then comes Aruj. She has cleared MOH, recently cleared MOH. And the last one, Ayesha Tafseer. Okay, so ending this video with lots of best wishes. And thank you everyone for supporting and watching this video.